Ever found yourself staring blankly at your screen, wondering if you'll ever escape the endless paperwork and finally get that new bank account sorted? You're not alone. Opening a bank account can sometimes feel like navigating a maze, and when it comes to a big name like Lloyds, you might be picturing long queues and mountains of forms. But is that reality? How long does it actually take to open a Lloyds account in today's world? Well, the good news is that thanks to technology, the process is often much smoother and faster than you might imagine. Gone are the days of solely relying on in-branch applications. Lloyds, like many modern banks, offers several ways to get your account up and running, each with its own potential timeline. Let's break down the most common methods and what kind of time frame you can expect. The online application is arguably the quickest route for many. You can usually start the process in a matter of minutes from the comfort of your own home. You'll be guided through an online form where you'll provide your personal details, address history, and potentially some information about your income and employment. Once you've submitted your application, Lloyds will typically need to carry out some checks. This might involve verifying your identity and address. In many cases, if everything goes smoothly and the information you provide is clear and accurate, you could potentially have your account opened within a few business days. Some users have even reported having their accounts active within 24 to 48 hours. However, it's always wise to factor in a little extra time, just in case there are any unforeseen delays with these checks. Another option is to apply via the Lloyds Bank mobile app. This process is often very similar to the online application and can offer the added convenience of using your phone's camera to upload any required documents, such as proof of address or identification. The processing time for app-based applications tends to mirror that of online applications, generally ranging from a few business days to potentially quicker if all checks are completed swiftly. Of course, the traditional method of visiting a local Lloyds branch is still an option. While this might take more time out of your day initially due to travel and potential waiting times, it offers the benefit of face-to-face interaction. You'll be able to speak directly with a bank representative who can guide you through the application process and answer any questions you might want to have on the spot. The time frame for opening an account in branch can vary depending on the branch's workload and the complexity of your application. In some cases, your account might be opened on the same day, especially for straightforward applications. However, it's also possible that further checks will be required, which could extend the process to a few business days. It's always a good idea to call your local branch beforehand to inquire about appointment availability and what documents you'll need to bring to ensure a smoother experience. So, to give you a general idea, opening a Lloyds account could take anywhere from a very speedy 24 to 48 hours via online or app application to potentially a few business days, and possibly the same day or a few business days if you opt for the in-branch route. Keep in mind that several factors can influence this timeline. Providing accurate information from the outset is crucial to avoid delays. Any discrepancies or missing information will naturally prolong the verification process. The type of account you're applying for might also play a role, as some specialized accounts could require additional checks. Ultimately, while Lloyds strives to make the account opening process as efficient as possible, it's always best to allow a few business days to be on the safe side, regardless of the method you choose. This way, you won't be caught off guard and can plan accordingly. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.